Hey guys, welcome back to Alisa's Adventures in Cruising. You know how I'm always saying I'm trying to stay ready for my next cruise? Well, I am. I still have a little ways to go before my next cruise, but I know some folks who are going to be heading out real soon, so I thought I'd sit down and talk with them and see what they have to say about all things cruising. It's like, well, hello, cruisers. I am bringing you guys to meet two very important cruisers in my life here. So, you want to introduce yourselves?
Well, my name is Elizabeth, and she already mentioned that I'm her mom, and this is my husband, Al, which he can speak for himself.
You're doing all right. You're doing all right. I'm making you talk on a Sunday afternoon. I know you're watching your movies, but I hear you're going heading out on a cruise pretty soon. So I wanted to see what you think about that. Where are you guys going?
Well, we're going on a cruise on Saturday, and this cruise, we're looking forward to it because we have postponed it since 2019. So one year we had to postpone it because of COVID.
Mm-hmm.
The next year we had to postpone it because they still had COVID things going
Restrictions
on.
and stuff.
Restrictions going on. And so this is finally the year that we're going. So we're going to actually celebrate our 29th wedding anniversary.
29 years.
29 years. So
you're supposed to look a little excited.
We're looking forward to it. He is excited. He's just
Sleepy.
stuck in a mood right now. But anyway, we're heading towards our first stop. Well, actually, we're going on a ship I've never gone on before.
Okay, what are you going on?
We're going on the Celebrity.
Okay.
Celebrity Apex. And we're supposed to be treated kind of differently this time because we're concierge.
Okay, very nice,
service.
very nice.
So we're looking forward to the little amenities that's going to offer. And then once we get going, our first destination will be Key West, which is a place I've always wanted to go to and just never got there. So we're going to Key West, and then we're going to head to Belize.
Okay.
Then we're going to Grand Cayman Island.
Love Grand Cayman. And
then we're going to Cozumel.
Okay, so how long is your cruise?
7 days.
Okay, seven days.
Yeah.
Is 7 days like the perfect length for you guys, or?
I prefer longer.
What'd you think, Al? No. Too long? Not long enough?
Too long.
Too long? What's your perfect length then?
For cruising?
Yeah.
About 4 days.
About 4 days. All right. Well, yeah, I gotta side with Mom on that.
She just 7 days. It's like, okay, I'm getting into this.
Yeah.
And if I could stay 2 weeks,
I'd
be happy. But my husband.
Yeah, 2 weeks is too long.
I might have to put him off and just keep on.
You gotta do one of those back to backs. Al said he getting off, but you keep cruising. You keep cruising. Right. So is there one thing like in particular about this ship that you're excited about or interested in seeing?
Well, I've never been on the ship before, so
right.
I don't know what to expect. I'm just looking forward to just seeing something different.
Mm-hmm.
We normally do Royal Caribbean,
right,
which we love, but this is going to be a little different. So we're just looking forward to seeing what this ship has to offer.
Okay, what kind of souvenirs you bringing back?
Of course, we're bringing back our matching T-shirts.
Yes, you got to bring back your matching T-shirts.
And of course, I'm bringing back a magnet.
A magnet, yes, we've seen the magnet collection.
When we get to Cozumel, I'm bringing back vanilla.
Okay,
so
all right.
I don't know what my husband has.
What you bringing back?
Bring back vanilla, all that vanilla.
You got vanilla?
Because I'm sharing it with other people.
You can share that with them already got in there with them.
No, I'm not gonna give them no vanilla that's been here for a few
We went
years.
fresh. We went fresh vanilla.
Right.
All right.
So Al, what are you gonna say? What are you looking
Yeah,
forward
what
to?
you looking forward to?
Going and coming back.
Going and coming back. You gonna do any
Right in the middle of football season.
Oh my
Oh,
goodness.
come on.
Well, I'm sure
Baseball.
they don't have a sports bar on
Yeah,
this
I'm sure
ship.
they
I'm
do.
sure they do.
I'm sure
You
they
You
know, you ain't never done this shit.
Cause that's like that's a thing now
Yeah,
that they have
yeah,
on
they have
the
sports
ships. They have a sports bar where they're showing
Right.
whatever the games are. So
Right.
you might meet a fellow sports lover.
I hope.
No,
Oh, your mom ain't gonna be there.
No.
she's not gonna be there for the
No,
sports. So,
no.
what kind of cabin are you gonna be in?
We have a balcony.
A balcony.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, we have a balcony, and
Now, is that what you like, Al? Is that what you normally
Oh no,
stay?
I don't go out there.
You don't go on the balcony?
he don't like the balcony.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, he probably won't like this deck too well either because it's on the 12th.
Oh, because of the
Well,
heights.
don't go out there.
He won't go out.
Oh, because of
But
the
I
height.
like going out
Okay.
there. I like
Go
going
out there
out.
at the ship still.
Yeah, that's what we mean when you.
Oh, well, you're in
yeah.
port. You'll do it. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, but you don't like to just sit and watch the
No,
water.
no. And he
Unless
just,
I'm fishing.
he just had surgery, so I'm looking forward for him to get into whirlpool.
Oh
Just
yeah.
kinda relax his shoulder a little bit.
Okay. Well, I'm
Yes.
sure they have one or two of them
Yes.
on board.
Yes.
So.
I'm looking forward to that. So Al, what else you looking
Eh.
forward to?
Where you where you sailing out of?
Fort Lauderdale, right?
Fort Lauderdale.
Yes.
Okay, so I know you sailed out of there. All right.
Yes.
Well, have a great time.
Well, we're looking forward to it. Hopefully he'll be more enthused. But on our anniversary, actually, I had a anniversary dinner planned at one of the specialty restaurants.
Okay.
So I'm looking forward to that. So he probably didn't even know I did that.
Did you know she did that?
Don't
No.
tell me nothing.
Don't tell you.
I ain't know where we going.
he just show up. He just show up. I just pack the bags and that's it.
Pack the bags, and
That's it.
as long as you can have what a steakhouse.
Yes, a steakhouse specialty dinner. Yes.
All right.
Mhm.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna let you get back to your regular programming here. But have a great cruise.
Thank
We'll
you.
see you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
You guys enjoyed that? Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more of Alisa's Adventures in Cruising and a next installment of Look Who's Cruising. If you're heading down on a cruise ship real soon and you want to talk about it, I'm here for you. Always ready to listen. Give me a call or leave a comment below. Thanks so much.